Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage. Today is product review day for the C8 Corvette. Hello and welcome to the Full Octane Garage, and today is product review day for the C8 Corvette. We got something new that came in the mail. This is actually a rear trunk mat or a rear trunk liner. It comes from NUBEHONE. They were kind enough to send it to us for review. We're going to put it in the car and put it to the test. It comes in a fairly compact box. I have cheated and opened this already. Now you'll notice when it comes out, it is somewhat of a memory to it. What will happen is once you put it in the trunk, it should flatten out. You may have to let it sit out a day or two. If it doesn't lay out correctly, you may have to set it in the sun, but honestly, I believe once it goes into the rear trunk, it gets hot enough when you drive it, this thing will loosen up and fit in there perfectly. There are a lot of other liners on the market that are much more expensive, but functionally this is going to do the same thing for probably a quarter of the cost. The cost on this product, I believe, is about $39, which is extremely reasonable. It looks like it has, some nice anti-slip technology on it, so things aren't going to slide around very easily. It should fit in there perfect. And for $39, it's a bargain. So we'll have some links below to purchase this particular product. Keep in mind this does support our channel. We do make a little bit off of it, but we also do honest reviews. And so far what we're seeing on this thing, it looks very functional. Looks like it's going to fit in our car perfect. And it's going to meet all of the needs that we have to stop getting moisture into the bottom of the carpet when something spills, and to protect the long-term value of the vehicle by lining the trunk overlay with the carpet. Okay, so how we're going to place this in the trunk is we're going to place it with the front first. We're going to tuck it underneath the cargo net, you'll see, and then it will flex right into place. You're going to want to center it. And you'll notice that you can push this rear section in down into the groove where it would normally collect any kind of moisture that would flow in. So this does have some lips on the side of it that go around, and what that does, this will direct any moisture of anything that's sitting on the mat down into this little cargo area so that you could blot it up or take it out. The one thing that you'll notice that the sides in these side pocket areas, they are not protected. So if you're looking for protection across the whole trunk, this is not the product for you. But if you're just dropping some groceries in here, setting something in here that might have the possibility of spilling, this will protect the carpet and protect the value of your vehicle. Highly recommend it. It's only $39. So again, please use the links below and you'll be able to purchase this off of our site. Well, thanks for coming to the Full Octane Garage to watch this video on the rear trunk liner. We're extremely pleased with it. It serves the purpose. It did lay out nice and flat after we took it for a little bit of a drive. So again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back often, and please use the links below to support the channel. We really appreciate your time. Have a great day.